Good evening, caller. Common Sense here. Do you have a question for us?
Yes, I would like to know where the common sense is in issuing a permit for the diner on Padnarma Road across from McDonald's.
Well, that's an easy question to answer. We have the fellow here who's going to answer that. Mayor, you want to take care of that?
That's a terrific
Thank you.
question, and I'm glad that it was asked. Here's another issue where during the decade of the 1990s, we operated without a plan of development. For 12 years and longer, actually, our last plan of development was done in 1987. So throughout the 90s, we had no plan of development. So our land use decisions were made in a vacuum. So this is the backdrop by which the diner ends up there. That site was given a variance by the ZBA in 1999. That variance said you could build this close to the river, you could build this size building there, because the applicant was Ann's Place, who is a cancer support center, a really wonderful organization. Ann's Place sold the parcel to the individuals building the diner. The variance goes with the parcel. Once you let that horse out of the barn, once you let that genie out of the bottle, you can't put it back in. The variance always stays with the property. That's why our land use commissions have to be careful about issuing these kinds of permits, because it may not be the person in front of you, it may be two people down the line who own the property that build a particular building. So we're stuck with a building that, frankly, nobody likes. I don't think it's appropriate for that particular area, but I think at the end of the day, the city really didn't have a choice because of that variance that was given in 1999. Why was it given? It was given because we didn't have a plan of development to operate out of. We now have a plan of development. That building could never be built under the new zoning regulations that my administration has put in. Unfortunately, it's what's called pre-existing non-conforming. They had their approval before we changed the zoning laws.
I just want to